Two sitting goal. Followed by
followed by I. Uday Kumar, representing Railway Sports Board, asking 370 kilograms on his third and final attempt.
Squat. Break.
It's a good lift. Spotters. ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಐ. ಉದಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಇವರು ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಕ್ವಾಟ್ ಯತ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ 352.5 ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಲು ಬಯಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟರ್ KN ಪಿಲ್ಲೈ, ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ P. ಪ್ರೇಮ್ ಕುಮಾರ್.
Squat. Crack.
It's a good lift. Spotters reduce the bar 230. I. Uday Kumar is a lifter trying 182.5 kilograms. Next it was Vinod Raj, followed by A. Kurram Hafiz.
Start. Press. Rack.
From Railways. Subramanya, you are the next lifter. Get ready, followed by Vinod Raj.
Start. Press. Rack.
It's a good lift. Railways is in action. Weight on the bar is 310 kilograms.
Down.
It's a good lift.